Many are the great blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to us. But this is the time for us to turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and do more for Allah. Don't let the comforts of this world distract us from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Imagine the sacrifice of Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail dhabihullah. Imagine the sacrifices they made, and then strive to do more for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Qur'an, Inna Allāh la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim. Allah will never change the condition of a people unless and until they change themselves. We have to have this feeling for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to strive to be closer to Allah, to strive to obey Allah, to strive to stay away from disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as a way to give thanks for all the bounties that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so merciful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so merciful.